We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we're going to be looking at our 2021 Road King lineup. So on the end, we have a Road King. This is in vivid black with the chrome detailing. And on the other end, we have it in billiard red. The one in the middle is one of our Road King specials. And this one comes in that really cool snake venom. It goes from purple to green as you walk around it. And then we have another Road King special in vivid black with the black detailing as well. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check them out.